How to log out Netflix from all other devices. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by moving into your application Netflix. Choose your specific account. Once you're in the home page of Netflix, move into My Netflix at the bottom right. Click on this three horizontal line at the top right corner and then move into Account. It will be landing you in this page. Once you're in here, what you want to do is scroll down and you'll see the option where it says Sign out of all devices. Click on it. Now once again you have to click on Sign out, and after that, your account will be signed out of all other devices and then you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.